And yes, we are live. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Business Learnings. In this video, I'll talk about why are the gold prices going up. We'll try to dig deep into it. Um, अभी recently क्या हुआ कि ईरान Iran's general was killed by the United States. Now the thing is, uh, this creates a situation of uncertainty in the global markets. What is going to happen next? In any situation, in any kind of uncertainty, people are not sure about how businesses will do in the future. And that's why they pull out their money from the stock market. What happens is if you are selling stock, if a lot of investors are selling stocks, then the stock prices are going to fall. And people are pulling out their money from the stock market because they want to remain safe, because they are not sure how the stocks will do, how the companies will do in the future. To avoid this uncertainty, people take out their money. Now they have their money. Where are they going to invest this money? Right? They have this money, they have to invest it somewhere. Putting it just in the savings account is going to fetch them 3-4%. In the US, probably just 1 or 2%. In India, 4%. Less than that. What to do with this money? In this situation, there comes alternative investments, and gold is one of the prime examples of the alternative investments. Uh, Historically, the gold prices have always been going up, and it is expected to show the same trend in the near future also, in the long term as well. Gold prices are always going to go up, and that's why people now tend to, whatever the money they have withdrawn from the stock market, they tend to invest all of that into gold. Not all of that, some portion of it into gold, and some in other kinds of alternative investments like real estate, buying land, etc. Now people buy a lot of gold, which pushes up the the uh, the price of gold, and that's why the price of gold rises first. Second, uh, Iran actually produces about 10% of the total oil that the world produces. 10% of that. Now, in a situation of war, entire reservoir is on a risk. Iran might not be able to produce even a single bit. अभी लड़ाई हो रही है तो you know, if in case this happens, again there will be uncertainty situations, and this 10% oil reservoir might come into risk, and this has been pushing up the prices of the crude oil. Now the crude oil's price is going up, and India as a country is exports a lot of crude oil, right? But you cannot buy crude oil with rupee. You have to, since you are importing it from other countries, you have to pay them in US dollars. And since you only have this much amount of US dollars, and the supply of crude oil is going down, the prices of crude oil will go up. You will have to buy more dollars, and rupee will therefore weaken, right? Rupee will weaken, and in the international market, we have already seen in the international market, by international market I mean gold prices in USD, they are already increasing because people are putting their equity money into gold, into buying gold. So the prices of gold is already increasing, and since the rupee is weakening, this increase is way more in India than in the United States. And that is the reason, gold prices are seeing such an uptrend. We expect that war does not happen. If it does, then our stock market will be, screwed, and there will be losses. So, anyways, the stock market are down from their all-time highs, and this might be a great time to, go for value hunting, buy stocks that were on your watch list for quite some time. And I think I have already discussed some of those stocks in my previous videos. If you want to check out, just go to my channel and go to all the videos. You will find several stocks which I had been put on my watch list and had been waiting for them to fall down. Thanks for watching this far.